Every second your store takes to reload is a second you could lose a customer. With AJAX Add to Cart by ShopLentor, your customers can add products to their cart instantly. No page reloads, no wait time, no friction. It's a smoother, faster way to shop and a smarter way to sell. Here's how to activate it. Head to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules. Toggle on the AJAX Add to Cart module. No page reloads equals faster shopping. Reduce cart abandonment caused by slow UX. Instant cart updates keep shoppers focused. Works beautifully on mobile too. Fully customizable to match your brand's style. Store owners using AJAX Add to Cart report higher engagement, fewer drop-offs, and more completed checkouts. It's the small change that delivers big results. Want to make shopping seamless and boost conversions instantly? Activate the AJAX Add to Cart module with ShopLentor today. No reloads, no friction, just more sales.